thank the forum for this opportunity. My name is Asnawi and
I call upon Acheh-Sumatra National Liberation Front.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to thank the forum for this opportunity. My name is Asnawi and I represent Acheh-Sumatra National Liberation Front, or ASNNL. I would like to draw the attention of this forum on minority in the criminal justice system and its challenge in Indonesia, especially in Aceh. Aceh is located at the northern tip of Sumatra. Aceh has been in conflict with Indonesia for more than 3 decades. In August 2005, Free Aceh movement and Indonesia signed a peace deal that ended the 13-year military conflict, and during which around 50,000 Acehnese, including civilians, were killed. But despite the deal, the authorities have shown no interest in addressing past crime. They have completely failed in their duty to provide truth, justice, and full reparation to tens of thousands of victims. 10 years on, Aceh is still regarded as a potential threat to Indonesia's territorial integrity. The greatest challenges minorities are facing in Indonesia is law enforcement and impunity. Those responsible for the thousands of killings, torture, and disappearances have never been prosecuted or punished. Widespread corruption is another dilemma in Indonesia. Problems related with bribery are everywhere, whether it be with police, judges, and prosecutors. Indonesia has this culture when dealing with the law. So long as corruption is still rife among the country's judiciary and law enforcers, the rule of law cannot be upheld. And without serious action to improve law enforcement and justice system, human rights violations will remain rampant. Since March this year, Indonesia police and military have been conducting operations in Aceh in search of the responsible for the murder of its 2 soldiers. Since then, arbitrary arrests, torture, and unlawful killings have become the order of the day. 6 have been killed so far, and over 30 arrested. Most of those killed were extrajudicially executed after being apprehended. Mr. Chairman, Indonesia is a state party to International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. Article 6(1) of the ICCPR states, every human being has the inherent right to life. This right shall be protected by law. No one shall be arbitrarily deprived of his life. Therefore, Acheh-Sumatra National Liberation Front, or ASNLF, respectfully recommend the United Nations, in compliance with its procedures and mechanisms, to independently examine incidents of police or military violence and accountability for the crimes in Aceh. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you.